G'day, we are looking at the FRS vertical centrifuge. We have it set up here on a horizontal directional drilling site. We are processing some drilling fluids. As you can see there's the unit with the control box. I'll be doing a brief demonstration shortly just to show you exactly what we're doing with it and how we can get our drilling fluids back to clean water. Here we have our dumping pits. This is where all our fluid comes to. It comes into here and gets dumped into these pits. From there it will get pumped into our pre-cleaning unit, which will go over a set of shaker screens, and what that will do is that will take out all the larger particles, which you can see down there, all the rocks and all the large material. We'll then go through a set of hydrocyclones in, and then all settle down into that tank. From there we pump that across to our mixing tank, which is our treating tank. We'll get pumped into there where it'll get where chemicals will be added in there to treat the product. From there all the fluid will run into our vertical centrifuge. The vertical centrifuge will spin at approximately 5,000 RPM. It will spin all the fine particles, all the underflow, basically anything that any pre-cleaning unit can't get to, and the results will be that we should be able to discharge some clean water. Okay, I'm just going to show you here our discharge. Now once this centrifuge gets a certain amount of weight in the bowl, it knows automatically that it needs to do a clean. So what it will do is it will pump it out through this line here. Now this is our very fine material. This is our very sludgy underflow. It's got all the very small particles in there, which is what we need to get out. And this is what most systems can't get out. That's why we're so impressed with this unit. All we do then is we'll shake that off those shaker screens. I don't have the screens running at the moment because they're a bit noisy. Basically that's our waste, and we'll go and have a look at our clean water. Okay, so we've mixed up a batch in our batching tank. It's now getting pumped across into our centrifuge there. As you can see there, you can hear the centrifuge spinning. It's a high speed, it's spinning at around 4,500 RPM at the moment. All the finer particles are getting trapped there in that bowl. Basically what's happening from here, it comes down out of our grey hose here, and this is the discharge point. Now we're getting around about 50 to 60 litres a minute out of that centrifuge, but if you look at that, the quality of that water's pretty much crystal clear. There'll be zero solids in that water. Now that water we can actually use for back in our drilling fluid, back in our drilling purposes, or we can pump that out on the grass. We can pump that down the sewer. You pretty much basically do whatever you need with that water. So there you go.